Hi beauties. Yeah, I probably look crazy, but this was a highly requested video. So this is a weird angle because I never filmed in this angle, but so I'm doing butterfly locks part 2. Well, not really part 2, but an updated butterfly locks tutorial, because the one that y'all saw the first time, that was my first time ever doing it. I was new to doing locks, whatever. I'm still new, but like I know more about it, so they turn out better, and like everything, like practice make perfect. So to God be the glory, we give God the glory. But y'all wanted a more detailed tutorial. I did these again already, but I didn't film it because I was like trying to make sure I had it before I came back, so I can just show y'all at least a better technique. Yeah, so let's just get into the video. Okay, so hi guys, so I'm using expression water wave runway hair, and you can probably screenshot that if you want to see what kind. And then Shine Gem, She's Bum, Edge Control, and Lot of Body, Wrap Me From Mousse. And I'm just stretching out the hair, well, like not stretching out, but running my fingers through it to like get the curls out or whatever. And I use 2 pieces of this for each lock or whatever, and I'm putting some African Pride leave-in cream, what I'm showing you now, on her hair or whatever. And I'm just parting off her hair, and I'm braiding like this little section up, and then I'm gonna start doing the locks, and I'm braid the other section up, blah 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 blah. But yeah, as most of y'all probably know, I did this tutorial on my channel before, but that was my first time ever doing them butterfly locks. So like this is like my 3rd time. But the thing about that expression runway hair, like that's my first time using that hair or whatever. The thing about that hair is I feel like it's too soft for butterfly locks. Like it would probably be like really good for like soft locks or something. I don't know, but I feel like for butterfly locks, I think I like the like shinier and like the more like textured thing that like the free tress water wave hair gives. So next time we do these, we're probably gonna I think we're gonna do these on her hair again, but next time we do this, we're probably gonna do it with water wave hair. But the reason that we did it with that expression runway hair was because they didn't have any more at the beauty supply store that we went to, and like the rest of them was closed. So we was just like, we don't got time to be going to another one, so we just got that one. But next time we'll just try to make a way and get the free dress or whatever. But so yeah, I'm twisting the hair like kind of so I could hook it on a crochet hook. And the first one, y'all will see me like pull it through, like, but don't, y'all will see me, okay, y'all see me do it right now, but latch it on and then pull it through. Don't do that. I undid it, and the reason I did that in my last video, but the reason why I stopped doing it or tried to stop doing that, that's where I undid it. If you, I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, the reason why I stopped doing that is because I found out that makes the root of your lock like bulkier or whatever. And even if you do that, then you have to pull the braid through too. I learned that too. You have to pull the braid through too, so that way the front part of your lock won't be so bulky. So as I'm wrapping it around, y'all saw me like place my finger under there, and then I wrapped it up over the little loop that I made like twice. I learned that helps it be secure. But I also learned something later that I wasn't doing right here. I learned that if you guys, like, when you're doing the little loop for the butterfly, you can like turn the butterfly, like twist it a little bit, like the loop that you're making, and then wrap, and then that'll help it be like really secure or whatever, and have your like butterfly loop looking more ideal. But also with this hair, like since I said it was more softer than the free tress, like you also couldn't really tell the butterflies were real because the hair was like so soft. So like, but otherwise it was Okay, it was like it worked pretty well. Like the overall style, it came out cute though. And then in the last video, you guys were also asking me like how did I separate the two, like to like extend the lock or whatever. So basically, once I got to the end, I don't think I really showed it in this video because I didn't think I really had to, for real. I don't know. But basically when I got to the end of the lock, like I tied a knot, and you guys will see me tie the knot a couple of times in this video. That's what helped me like stop having to use the got to be, because I knew that was some way that you could do it without using the got to be, but I didn't really know how. But at the end, like y'all see, I'm wrapping back up right there. But yeah, I knew there had to be some way, but I eventually found out, and you guys will see me like tie it like when I get to like the very end of like the hair or whatever. And then I just like start wrapping back up with the piece, or like if you're extending it, wrapping down with like half of it, and then once you get to your desired length, tie it, wrap up, and then wrap the whole thing up, like the rest of the hair up if you have anything left. But yeah, so I'm also like I know for sure I'm going to do this again. Well, like, but next time I'm gonna make sure I use the free trust water wave so y'all can see like how it is with the free trust water wave actually, again, like with them done right or like good. But yeah, so just enjoy the rest of the video because I've been talking this whole time, girl. I am so sorry, but I hope I answered most or all of y'all questions. And and I do not know how many locks she had in her head. I'm sorry, girl, but y'all can guesstimate, okay? Also, since I haven't really talked about this part during this video, I took the cheese bum, not cheese bum, the shining gem, and like put it on her parts or whatever, and combed it through nicely, that way like her roots would be flat or whatever. And I also moisturized her hair too. And then like I said earlier, pulling the crochet hook through, and then I wrap it around the root about like 2 or 3 times, but like not too much to where it's like too tight or whatever. And I also asked her like where, like, if any of them were too tight to like at the root, like let me know at the root, because if y'all don't like fix it at the root, then it's gonna be harder to fix it once you get down like further. So like fix it while you're like right there. This is right here where I'm tying it. Like you can see, I kind of like, I don't know if I'll probably make another tutorial where I show you how to tie it better, because like in this video I was just trying to get it done. I'm sorry, but yeah, but if you can tell like by what I'm doing, then that's great too. What you doing? I'm just playing. I got 2 more right here.
I know you lying.
I'm just playing. But girl, they look good. Ooh.
I know they look good because they're on me. Period. You do too.
But you didn't get a check, and I didn't get one either. So
Hey.
some set up.
Hey.
BTW, she has on pants, okay?
Girl.
Come on, baby.
Sit the science kid? Where I am.
Shut up.
I'm present. I've arrived. My hair sounds like a McDonald's spray.
Girl, shut up. Period, baby girl. Look at him. Oh, okay.
Parts, you know.
Check out the parts. Period, baby girl. And what about it? Okay, you doing a little bit too much right there, but girl. Angelica. Okay. But alright, y'all. Bye, beauty. Wait, Jesus. Bye, beauties. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow my social medias down in the description down below. Let me know what you guys think, how I did on this
Baby, she did amazing.
versus like the first time or whatever. But and I also hope you guys like that method better because I do. But I love you guys. Bye, beauties.
Bye, beauties.